Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing one of my favorite days, back and chest. Here I put all the workouts that I'm going to be doing so you can screenshot this to follow along. First we'll be starting with machine flies. I like to do 3 times 20 of every workout I will be showing here because my goal right now is to build up muscle endurance. For these, you want to have your elbows up higher to feel it more in your chest. Next we have machine rows. These are one of my favorite back workouts to do. For these, you want to have your butt on the edge of the seat and your chest pressed against the machine, creating a small arch in your back. Then you want to pull back with both arms and have that mind-muscle connection with your lats. As you can see in this video, I'm squeezing my lats together, creating that mind-muscle connection. Next up, we have seated rows. For these, you want to have your feet elevated and scoot your butt back so that you have a slight bend in your knees. Then, as you lean forward, you almost want to have a stretch in your back and then explode back, bringing it to your chest while sticking your chest out and squeezing your lats together to really feel this. We're then going to go over to do some lat pull downs. There's 2 different ways you can do this, and I'll show you both in this video. I prefer to do it this way because I tend to feel it more in my back. I take the wide grip bar and go up and down while pulling it close to behind my neck, creating that muscle tension. This is another option that you can do for a lat pull down. The only difference with this is that instead of pulling it behind your neck, you're going to pull it straight down to your chest. While doing this, you also want to lean back into it, creating an arch. Next up, we have front shoulder raises. These have helped me gain a lot of strength. I like to use a 25-pound weight and do, again, 3 sets of 20 to help just build that muscle endurance. And over time, once you get that endurance stronger, then you can start doing heavier weight and lower rep amounts. You want to lift these up, pointing your elbows in the air, squeezing your back. Moving on, now we're going to do a dumbbell rear delt fly. These are a lot harder than they look. With these, you really have to isolate the muscle group. So for these, you want to bend down and then lift the weights up from your sides, feeling that muscle tension in your upper part of your shoulder. Next up is hyperextensions. I don't know why, but I always found these really fun to do. I like to hold a 10-pound weight while doing this. For doing these, you want to also make sure that the machine is adjusted to your height. You should have it to at least the height of your hip bone. Then you just want to go up and down, really focusing on the feeling of your lower back while doing these. Moving on now, we will do a chest press. I like to superset these, which means you start off light and then slowly add on more weight to increase pressure. Form-wise, you want to have your hands spaced apart. There's usually like a little ring on the bar. I like to place my pinkies on each of those. While bringing the bar down, you want to make sure that it touches your chest. While pushing the bar back up, you want this movement to be as explosive as possible to help save your energy to do more reps. Next up, we have the one arm row. These have been my absolute favorite thing to do lately. To do these, you want to have your foot spaced out very wide to help you keep your balance while doing these. Then you will want to keep bringing the weight up and down using your arm, feeling this in your back. While doing these, you should also make sure you're keeping your head up, looking straight forward. Lastly, we have the dumbbell chest press. You want to start off by bringing your arms all the way up, clinking the weights together, and then bringing them all the way back down to your sides, feeling the stretch in your chest. That is all for today's workout, you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope that you try this out for yourself because you will definitely feel sore from it the next day. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will be making more videos every week.